Hello friends, welcome to our channel Kapashi Tips and Tricks. Today we will learn about the count formula in Excel. So basically the count formula consists of four formulas. The count A, count blank and the count if. So now we'll learn about the uses of these four formulas. The count helps us to count the number of numerical entries in a range except blanks. The count A counts cells containing any type of information excluding blank cells. The count blank counts the number of empty cells, while the count if counts the number of cells that meet a certain criterion. So here I have a table with me where I have the names of a few students, and here they have written the marks obtained in a particular examination. So first we will use the count formula. The count formula, now it will count the number of numerical entries. So here I'll write is equal to count, then bracket, I'll select this. Okay. Now I'll close the bracket, enter. So here it's showing 28. Now one thing I'll show you. Here I have written 3O instead of 30. So if I'll change it and I'll write it 30, the number here will come 29. Look, enter. It's being 29. Can you see? Again I'll do it 3O. It will be 28. The change is visible over here. Okay, so now let's move on to the another formula, count A. So it will count the number of cells which has any kind of information, but it will not count blank cells. So here we write is equal to count A, bracket, we'll select the cell range. Bracket close, enter. 33. That means there are in this here we have names of 35 students, and there are two blanks, so it has counted all the cells excluding the blanks, so there are 33 it's showing. Now we'll move up to the count blank. Here it will come 2 as you have two blanks, so it counts the number of empty cells. So here we write count blank, then we'll select the cell range. Yeah, so now bracket close, enter. It is counted 2. So now the most interesting and the most helpful formula, this is the count if formula. So here as you can see, I have shown the criteria. So for instance, I have used the criteria more than equal to 50. Yeah, so if we consider that more than equal to 50 is pass, we will get to know out of 35 students how many have passed, how many have got more than 50 marks, right? So here I'm uh, writing equal to, then count if, bracket open. First of all, we have to select the range. After selecting the range, we will place a comma. Then we have to select the criteria. So I'll simply click over here because this is G3. And here I have written the criteria, so I just selected this. You can also write in this inverted commas greater than equal to 50, but I have done like this. You may do either way. Then bracket close, enter. It shows 19. That means out of 35 students, 19 have got more than 50 marks and have passed. Here I have used 35 students. I have written the names of 35 students and their marks, but you can also use this for in another situation. I hope these formulas are helpful for you, and please like, share and subscribe our video. I hope you like this. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.